Let's get started architecting Xamarin Forms applications for code reuse. Globomatics is making the move from hardware and data services into the app marketplace. They have years of experience, many products and offerings, and now they want to capture their current customers even more with application suites. Being a large company servicing other large companies, Globomatics cannot know what their customers will want when they start making mobile applications. With that in mind, Globomatics will take an agile approach to creating these applications. Keep in mind that this is going to be multiple products, and since customer utilization patterns will not be the same, that means it'll be across multiple platforms as well. As with many enterprise agile projects, the key items to understand are that the business leaders do not know what they are going to be making yet because their customers are trying to find the best fit. That also means the business will not tell you until they have approval, so by the time it gets back to you, it's later than you would like. As with all projects like this, a solid architecture can save you from the pain of constantly changing requirements with an enterprise agile project. To help Globomatics along, we will cover how to architect a Xamarin Forms application to accommodate this new corporate mandate. The first thing we will cover is the components of a project. After we discuss the components of a project, we will move on to discussing how to structure for testability and how to utilize NuGet within our solution. Since we covered how to structure for testability, we will then discuss the different project layers and how they affect testing and overall effect on changing requirements for our solution. Since we discussed changing requirements for solution and testing, we should also discuss project dependencies and how they affect testing and dependency injection. After that, we will move on to how to properly architect for sharing cross-platform functionality. After we have covered all of this information, we'll move into how to share UI components, both cross-platform and within Forms itself. In the next section, we will look at project structure and discuss different project components.